Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to delete music from Facebook profile. If you are using Facebook and now you want to delete music from your Facebook profile, and let's see how can you do this. First you have to open your Facebook app, open it, and here you just have to go for your profile, and here tap on edit profile. Just scroll down to end, tap on edit your about info, and about info you just have to scroll down and look for music section. Here's that. You just have to select see all, tap on it, and here select the music which you want to delete. Just tap on three dots and then tap on delete song from profile. So after that the song will be deleted from your profile. So let's do this again. Just tap on three dots, then delete song from my profile, and here you can see I have successfully deleted music from my profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.